Hello guys, welcome again. This is Rajan. I hope you are doing great. So in this video, we are going to analyze Bank Nifty and Nifty index. Is there an entry point, or should we just sit idle for some time? Everything will be explained in this video in detail. Before that, please make sure to like this video and also comment if you have any doubts. And do not forget to click that bell icon so that you don't miss any video. Hello guys, I hope you are doing great. So in this video I'm just going to analyze about Nifty, what is going to happen, what can we expect in the upcoming days. So if you look at the past 1 year, right from this, which is October 21, you can see that Nifty has fallen 11%, close to 15%, and then 16%, and then it has gone up 18%, and it has corrected almost from 11 to 16%, right? That is the maximum. The minimum has been 7%. So if you look at this fall right from this top until this area, it's almost around 7%, and which is close to this correction. You have to keep in mind that it has come out of this huge resistance also. Okay, so we cannot expect too much of correction from here. What I'm hoping is that, so if you just look at this particular pattern, you can see that this is the triangle, sorry, not triangle, this is the trend line where Nifty has been getting a lot of resistance, and you should also draw this. So this is acting as a resistance. So basically there is two resistance for Nifty. One is this one, and another one is this one. So once this is broken with a good volume and after consolidation, you will find the Nifty to move up. So until then you just have to wait and be patient. So how long it's gonna take, we never know. Yeah, there is also a chance that it can touch this trend line, and all you have to do is predict different assumptions and act accordingly. So right now I'm not taking any position because be it Nifty or Bank Nifty, mainly because I don't find a favorable risk reward for me, and I can go long only after this huge trend line is broken, or if it is coming to this point. So I'm not even shorting now because I don't find any good shorting opportunities as well. So in a longer time frame, Nifty is bullish. Right now it is consolidating, and you can see that it has consolidated around 7%, you can say even 8%. I think the correction is done. It is because of the Adani, this kind of fall has been happening, and there is no major negative news as far as I know, except for this Adani. I think Adani should correct from here, and I hope it doesn't fall. I'm not saying it won't fall, I just hope it doesn't fall. So it all depends on how the Nifty is moving. Let's just wait for this breakout and then take up the trade. So meanwhile you can also look at micro caps and small caps where you can trade stocks like persistent system. This is just an example trade that I want you guys to show. Recently we traded this breakout. So irrespective of where the Nifty is, how the Nifty is performing, you will always find some stocks to trade. Okay, so this is the chart that we posted on our community, and we made money in this, an excellent 22% move. Okay, the reason I'm showing this trade is because few people are in an assumption that if Nifty is falling down or if Nifty is correcting, I cannot trade in other stocks. No, it's not the case, and you can do that. You can do this kind of trade even when the Nifty is sideways, and it's your job to do the homework and select the right stocks. Okay, I hope you got a point. Let me just go to Bank Nifty. So let me draw it again. Okay, so these are the main supports and resistance. Let's look at 1 hour. In 1 hour you could see that the same like Nifty, Bank Nifty just has a different kind of a rejection, which is this trend line. So if you are going to go long, what you have to do is wait for this trend line to be broken, and also this one with good volume, and then when there is a correction, that is when you look to buy. Okay, I don't like to buy anywhere around here because anything you do here, the accuracy is 50 100%. It can either go down, it can either go up, but after the breakout at least your accuracy would be higher. I'm not saying 100% it will go up, but at least the odds are in your favor, right? So that is why I wait for some kind of a confirmation, and then I go for my trade. So until then I'm not going to trade. And if you look at the volatility, this is ugly price action. So I usually avoid a price action like this. I want calm, and this is a very calm. You just, all you have to do is wait for the correction and then enter. All you have to do is wait for the correction and you have to enter. But in this kind of huge volatile market condition, yeah, you can risk here and there a small capital. It's okay, completely fine, but do not allocate huge capital in this kind of environment, be it futures, options, or whatever you're trading. So that's my view on Nifty, Bank Nifty, and stocks. As I said, stocks you can always find good setups irrespective of where the market is going. I'm not saying all the stocks. There are few stocks that if you do the hard work you can find it. If you cannot find it, consider joining my membership JFT community, where we spot charts like that. Yeah, that would be all. And if you have any doubts on this analysis, please let me know in the comment section. Let me know if you want a triangle pattern strategy video. It's been like 3 years since I uploaded a triangle pattern video explanation. Probably I'll do a video on that, so that it will be a good learning for you guys. Probably when this video hits 10k likes, I will definitely do a video on that. That video is going to be like I'm thinking like 30 to 45 minutes or more than that, maybe 1 hour. That will be a good learning, but I want 10k likes. Okay, so share this video with a lot of people, and also make sure to click that bell icon, because a lot of people are missing my videos. So please don't miss it, and just click that bell icon. That would be all, guys. See you soon again with another